Hi guys, I'm Maria Brown, welcome back. Well, tonight I'm going to make a cilantro lime rice shrimp bowl, and I'm going to throw a little tzatziki right on top. Okay, come on, let's go get started. Oh, remember, hit that subscribe button. Tzatziki is a yogurt sauce. It's kind of like adding a sour cream on top of something, but it's made with Greek yogurt, and use a full fat Greek yogurt. And all right, so it's Greek yogurt and cucumber and garlic is basically what it is. In addition, it also has a little bit of olive oil, white wine vinegar, some salt, and dill. What I did was I took a full-size cucumber, I cut it in half and I peeled it, and then I grated it all into this bowl. And it's really best if you do it the night before and just let it drain. But if you don't have time to let it drain, if you're doing it today, take a glass and just keep squeezing the water out of that cucumber and get as much water out as possible, and then throw that water away. Okay, I'm gonna go throw that away and I'll be right back. Can you believe that's all that's left of half of a cucumber? Now I'm going to take my Greek yogurt. I'm going to mix this in, some garlic. You can mince this up. I'm going to crush it. And I'll add a little bit of olive oil, some white wine vinegar, and half a teaspoon of salt. I put in about a tablespoon of fresh dill. I'm just mixing this up. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. If you can make it overnight, you know the flavors, especially the garlic, is going to mix its way through there. I'm using it tonight. Give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.